Morning.
What are you up to?
Making smoothies.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
Nice.
What's in it?
Banana. Some berries. Whey protein. Quark, which I'm putting in right now. And then I'm gonna add some skimmed milk in the end.
Nice.
Yes. Basically my morning routine breakfast.
Yeah, you do this a lot.
I do.
It's your favorite.
Very easy. When you're on your way to work, just drink it on the way.
Yeah.
So
You're efficient.
very efficient.
Are you making like an acai bowl now?
Yeah, could be. Try something else.
Exciting.
Different granola. You know, it's Saturday, so could mix it up a bit.
Nice. And I'm making some eggs for breakfast, as I usually do. And here is my breakfast. It is very protein based, but I really love having eggs in the morning. I have that every day. We are very obvious with our breakfasts. You always have the smoothie, and I have the ginger shot and
Not the wine.
no, there's a wine bottle there. No, that's a gift. It's not for breakfast. No, but yours look amazing. Looks like an acai bowl or something. You're just missing like some decoration. Yeah, some like banana or something. Or something on top.
Banana.
Stop, it's early. That I've been up for a long time. Okay, it's midday for me.
Can I eat now?
Yeah.
Still okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
And I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a cold, so I'm also drinking some like berocca that you gave me, which was nice. Then I have the ginger shot, of course, that Wictor makes. And the recipe is on my Instagram if you want to check it out. And the highlights. Okay, let's have breakfast.
Sounds good.
I'm also gonna have a little bit of granola because it's so good. This is actually so good, this one. Yeah. Raspberry and cacao.
Cow?
Cacao? How do you say it then?
Sound like a bird.
Cacao, cacao. That's what it's called.
That's probably correct.
Would you like some granola with cacao?
Cow!
Oh.
Got
Good. Hello.
So, what do you think? Will I fit in this?
Looks perfect. Oh, I really like this. This is so nice. I really like this one. I have to try it. Kolla. What else? You like that one?
On you, yes.
Yeah, not on you. Like, yeah, maybe. I can try it, but I think I was looking for something more stripy, like this blue one. I really like this one. I don't have any more hands here, but I think I have to try that one.
Here's another one.
I like these pants too, but they're a little bit too dark. Yeah, I do like that one as well. Stripy. It's cute. It looks very like soft.
It is.
Yeah. Then we're also going, oh, pink hearts. That's cute. We're also going on our trip soon to the Caribbean. So maybe I need to find some more swimwear as well. Are you looking for something today?
No, not for me.
No,
Only for you.
My shopping assistant.
Emotional support.
Exactly, perfect. I just said since I returned some stuff and then bought something, I saved money.
That's so girl math.
Yeah, out here saving money, shopping. I've just been laying on the couch for the last hour. I really felt like I just needed a break from life. Sometimes it's important to also like do nothing, and it's okay. I feel like I'm always on all the time. I get up really, really early in the morning, and then I'm like always being productive, and it's like I'm allowed to do nothing. And I think I need to just remind myself of that sometimes, that it's okay to do nothing. Yeah. So, but now I feel like I have rested a little bit. So now I'm gonna clean the kitchen, unload the dishwasher, and do some cleaning up around the house. Then I'm gonna have a podcast meeting with my sister. We're gonna record some more podcasts. We have a podcast together called The Love Club. If you haven't, then you have to check it out. Yeah, that is the plan for today. And then I'm going up to my parents' house. Wictor's already there. He's there working on some project with my stepdad, Pete. They are together. I feel like he spends more time up there, way more time up there than I do at my parents' house. But I'm going up there in a couple of hours and join them for dinner. We're gonna barbecue. So that's gonna be nice. But yes, other than that, we've been shopping a little bit. And yeah, not much else has happened today. I'm gonna go out for a walk as well. I need to get some fresh air, but that is the plan. Now the laundry is all fixed. I put in a new load in the washing machine and I have folded some more clothes. And then I've been cleaning the kitchen. I'm gonna go out with some rubbish. And then I'm pretty much done, I think. Hello.
Hey.
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 How are you doing?
Very good.
What are you doing?
I am not doing that much. Helping Pete finding another supplier for the electricity here in the house.
Well,
Exciting.
I've never run them, have I? It's not ready yet. Right. No flipping, sorry. Flipping gone now. Not flipping, no flipping. It's flipping not working.
Why are you doing something?
A little bit more power, yeah.
Hey, hey.
What are you making?
Västerbottenpie pie, mini.
What's that in English? Cheese pie, mini cheese pies.
Yeah, mini Västerbotten cheese pies.
They're so cute.
Yeah, I hope they're gonna
And
be.
they're like shapes.
Yeah, exactly. Like small flowers almost.
Yeah. Are they going in the oven?
Yes, for like 12 minutes at 220.
And then you're gonna decorate them a little
Yeah.
bit with like sour
Yeah.
cream and.
Yeah, sour cream and rum and some dill. Then I'm just gonna pour.
Is that eggs or?
Yeah, eggs and milk a little bit. I have to make a bit more. It's not enough.
Hello again. The time is about maybe 9 in the evening, and Victor and I are gonna go to bed quite soon, I think. We're both very tired after today. It's been a very cozy, chill day, but I woke up really early in the morning today, so I need to get some sleep, I feel like. And I think Victor is coming soon as well. And then we're gonna go to bed, and then I will see you in the next vlog. So I hope that you like this vlog. Yeah, I've had such a fun day, and yeah, I'm also in the pajamas that I got today. The pants and the set that is 100% cotton, and I really like it. I love the pattern on it and the material and everything. Very, very comfy. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!